What you're about to hear is the terrifying sound of solar winds recorded near the sun by NASA. This is just a glimpse of the immense power of the universe, a power far beyond human control. Now imagine the punishment of hellfire for those who turn away from Allah's guidance.
When they are thrown into it, they hear from it a dreadful inhaling while it boils.
Every sin we commit brings us closer to a fire far more intense than the solar storms. But Allah is merciful. His door is always open for those who repent. Let this be a reminder. Return to Allah before it's too late. Worship Him, seek forgiveness, and do good before the day comes when regret will be of no use.